I can't even fathom what it's like in a war zone to try to continue doing open heart surgery.
As the bombs continue to drop in Ukraine, a Calgary doctor is dropping a much-needed cardiac care package into the war-torn country, providing essential medical and surgical supplies. It all began when Dr. Paul Fedak, a Ukrainian-Canadian, saw a video of a heart surgeon moving open-heart surgery patients into a bomb shelter as the bombs were falling.
Patients are being treated in the bomb shelter.
So I actually just pinged him on social media, and he wrote me back right away and said that he was okay, but they were really struggling to keep up. And I asked him if there was anything I could do to help, not thinking there really was anything I could do other than hope for the best for him and cheer for him. And he said, we need medical supplies.
The shipment includes personal protective equipment, dressings, catheters, syringes, and defibrillator electrodes, all of which were either surplus or past their recommended shelf life.
We looked through every cupboard and every back room to try to find supplies that we could give up that would not be used ultimately. And most of this stuff is disposable equipment, which is really key because during supply chain issues, disposable things are critical, but so hard to get.
But despite the items being relatively mundane, the logistics of getting them overseas has been enormous.
It has taken us a number of months to put all of this together. You have to remember that everyone is so busy and overworked and stressed as it is in the healthcare system that we didn't want to put too much pressure. So we gave people a lot of bandwidth and time to give what they could.
The boxes are shipping this week with the hope they'll get there as quickly as possible, and that it may inspire others to do what they can to help too.
There are probably lots of things we could be sending over there to help others, and we have a lot of we're a rich country. We have a surplus of things, so it doesn't feel like that all the time, but we have a lot.
In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.